some more ketchup?
Oh, go on then.
Dad, where do I come from?
Ipswich.
No, I mean, how did I get born?
Oh, right. Well, I met your mum at work. We bumped into each other in a corridor, literally. Then we had a few dates, got to know each other, and found out we got on really well. And then eventually we fell in love and got married, and yeah, I know, icky stuff. And then in November 1994, your mum got drunk and had sex with 2 builders. And 9 months later, out you popped. Not sure which of the builders is your real dad. I'm guessing it's not the Chinese one. Right, choc ices.